So we got ourselves a little bit of a leak for the Z Flip 7. Z Flip 7 confirmed. Keep in mind it says confirmed, but this is a leak. Take everything with a grain of salt until it officially is confirmed by Samsung. But they says improved hinge durability due to a new internal structure, less visible crease, display high efficiently, all new flexible glass, pro scaler, bigger vapor chambers, next gen of ProVision engine, bit faster charging speeds with the same 25 watt and thinner body. Now, this is a lot of stuff that we see here is stuff that has been rumored / technically confirmed with the Z Fold 7. So it's not too surprising to hear that some of this stuff here is going to be also confirmed there. Less of a crease is going to be across the whole lineup of the Z Fold, Z Flip series. So again, like some of the stuff that we hear is going to be kind of like coming off of like, oh yeah, by the way, the Z Fold 7 is going to have this feature, or it's going to have this type of concept. The Z Flip 7 probably will as well. Now, I will say this a million times. This is a skip it year for the Z Fold series. You have a Z Fold 6, do not buy the Z Fold 7. If you have a Z Flip 6, do not buy the Z Flip 7. It's a skip a year. There's just no real reason to actually go ahead and do it. Yes, there's going to be somewhat of an update, but it's going to be a watered down processing unit of a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, watered down. They're removing one of the processing cores to make it cheaper for them to manufacture and manufacture at a bulk amount. So just wait till next year. If you're thinking about buying one, hold off, wait, don't do it. It's just not worth it. We're in a weird year right now. We're kind of in a transitional year when it comes to this stuff. Just wait off. 2026, you're going to have plenty of options. You're going to get plenty of, great opportunities to buy a flippable, foldable phone. Just hold off for another year would be my recommendation. So even though, yes, the Z Flip 7 is going to be cool and fun, and we'll be talking about it on the channel, covering on the channel, it just isn't really worth it in the end. For how much it's going to cost, / little upgrade wise, just not worth it. But still cool in the end, that we are getting a little bit more information as time goes on here. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, though. I'll see you guys next one.